Hi there, my FitLife friends. Welcome to another adventure. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. In this video, I am taking you out on an airboat ride along the Peace River in Arcadia, Florida, with the Peace River airboat rides and charters. We're out here in hopes of seeing some alligators, and we hope to get completely immersed in nature. It's pretty awesome going deep into the thick hammock trees and Spanish moss, where it's so peaceful you can hear the crickets. There are 2 locations to reserve the airboat rides. You can call or reserve your tour and find all the information you need on their website. When you finish the tour, you can browse around the country store and then hold the baby gators. It's really fun for the entire family. So continue watching to see if we find that 10-foot alligator we're searching for. Wait for it. So long for now. Happy adventures.
His head's on that, going out from the bank, and he's that tail will wrap around. That's one of the longest gators. He's not huge, muscular yet, but he's got some length to him.
Yeah. Wow.
He will be one day one of the biggest on the river, I'm sure.
I think,
He's probably 10 foot long.
yeah.
Looks like a log, but he's a healthy gator. He's been eating well. The tide's coming in really fast right now. It's covering the bank, so there's nowhere for them to lay on the bank. So for a little while they'll lay around in the shallow water around the bank.
Yes, especially in the heat.